Hey brownies, welcome back to my channel. So you guys, this is going to be a review on this hair. So I'm a little bit excited because I've been meaning to do this for the longest. Like, I've had this unit for like 5 freaking months. Okay. 5 months. And I'm gonna tell you guys what I love about the hair, some things that I wish were a little bit better about the unit and things like that. So if you guys have any questions or comments or anything like that, definitely leave them down below. You guys can message me on my Instagram. I'm always active on there. So if you have any other questions about this unit, or you just want my feedback, definitely hit me up on there. And if you haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe to become a brownie. Excuse the fact that I'm looking down on my phone because I'm trying to get the link to the hair. So I bought this back in May, you guys. It is now October. I've had this hair for 5 months now and I love it, you guys. I honestly really do love it because I have a lot of different wigs just piled up in the back of my freaking closet, and I have all my units are ear to ear lace fronts, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? So this one is a 6x6 lace front wig, and it's a glueless lace front. It doesn't specify if it's a yaki or Brazilian or blah 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 blah. It just says it's a virgin lace front wig. And the type of lace that it does have, it is a Swiss lace. So when I first got the package, I didn't know what the heck to do with the hair, to be honest. I am not a pro when it comes to wigs. You guys, I did this by myself and I'm still trying to learn. I'm still trying to get the gist of how to, get that lace to look natural. And to be honest, it could look way better. I'm gonna come in so you guys can see pretty much where I did well and where I didn't. I feel my plucking was really good, but as for the tinting and things like that, I could do better. In my application, it could be better, but you guys should have saw how it looked a month ago. I didn't know what the heck I was doing, okay? And I'm gonna get into all that specs, how I apply it and things like that, in a whole nother video, but this is just about the review. So with this, and if you guys want to see that, make sure you guys like this video. Okay, so when I first got the wig, I was just okay, this is gonna be easier for me to apply because it's a 6x6. So 6x6 is literally from here to here. You're not gonna deal with all of those trying to lay down the sides and stuff like that, because that's so freaking annoying. So I was okay, this is perfect for me because I'm a beginner. I don't want to be out here in the streets looking ridiculous, okay? So when I was applying it, it didn't look natural. It just looked like it was sitting on my head. I'm gonna show some clips. You guys know, I look ridiculous, okay? So what I actually learned to do is to learn how to pluck the hair. And I want to do a video on that, but you guys can definitely just check out a bunch of videos on how to do it. I'll try and put a clip to a couple of people's videos that I feel they helped me when it came to legit plucking the hair and trying to get the closure to just look really natural. You want it to look it's not a closure, you know what I mean? Because with those closures, it just looks like it's a line and just that. You don't want it to look like that. You want it to look like it is going across your head. I know what you mean, I know what you want. So this one, I feel is perfect for that, because if you just get it, if you just customize it perfectly, you will get it down. As for the legit hair, I do have, it does come down to my boobs. This is a 20, it is 20 inches. And if you watch my other reviews, you guys know I usually go 22, 24 inches. I never go freaking 20 inches. But this 20 inches, I just wanted something that was natural, something that was good for school and work, because I am working full-time and I'm in school full-time. So it's I don't want a bunch of hair down my back. I don't know how the heck I used to do that in undergrad. It was just I I can't do that. That's not my lifestyle, okay? And for you guys that want to get the longer hair, like, believe me, I love myself some long hair, but I don't want to be carrying all of that and walking around like a bunch of these white people and then they just be like staring at me. Like, don't. I'm gonna have to save that for like, you know, like birthday weekend or like, you know, me trying to look nice and fleeky, you know what I mean? So as for the hair, I do like the hair a lot. It has thinned out over the past couple of months, and that's because that's mostly on my part. I don't really use any heat protectant, but even with me using the hair and wearing it so often, it still has a nice thickness, a nice natural thickness to it. And I didn't even get to customize it really today. But I'll definitely do that for you guys in my next video, where I'll actually show you guys how I install it and things like that. And no, I do not use glue. I used to use all those glues. Like, I have all of them. They're all in my cabinet. Like, I used to wear them, and now that my hair is natural and I just want to take good care of my hair, I don't really want to put all that stuff in my head. So what I actually now use is, excuse the fact that it looks kind of busted, but I use my Got To Be Glued, okay? The black one. Black one. I know some of you guys are like, wait, what? Huh? What are you talking about? Like, no, like, I'm telling you, go and watch Sophiology, okay? Go and watch her. Go down and watch her right now, okay? Like, that's my sister. Like, she, like, just literally, actually, forget everything I even said. Just watch all her videos when it comes to lace fronts and applying and plucking everything. Just watch her. I'm gonna still put some other people, but watch her, okay? So, you know, that's my sister. I have to, you know, support your Nigerian sisters now, you know? So with her video, she actually showed how she applies her wigs. And you guys, I was over here struggling. I was using like Got To Be Glued like freeze spray. I was using all of those to put on, blow drying it, crying because my freaking hair was just like sliding back. Like, especially during like the summer, you guys, like, it was ridiculous. My wigs would be like sliding back and looking ridiculous. Like, I look like an idiot, okay? But when I tell you, this black Got To Be Glued, not the yellow one. The other one is nice. The yellow one is nice for like when you're trying to like legit like put on your wig, but this one's perfect for like laying down your baby hairs, laying like you know, just laying it down. And then like, I can't go into detail because I really want you guys to get the gist of how to put it on, but I have to do another video so you guys know, because me just saying, yeah, put this on, like, you're gonna be like, what are you talking about? What do you mean that's gonna stay on? Like, does that mean my hair is looking crusty? What is it for? Like, you know? And I was confused. I was you guys. Like, I didn't know what the heck I was doing. So I used this. And if I want a little bit of extra hold, I might put a little bit of some hairspray, but not really. Like, to be honest, I just put this on. I don't even lay down my edges. I literally lay it. I just put it on, do the rest of my makeup, and I leave, go to work. Like I said, full-time everything. So I don't have time, you know? I don't have time to be over. Blow dry. I'm like, no, I don't have time for that. I don't know how you girls do it, but I don't have time for that. And the good thing about this wig is it's a, like I said, it's a 6'6", so it's perfect for you guys that are just trying to look cute and go. Like, you don't want to be sitting there over there with your edges, putting it like, I don't know how you girls do it. I don't know now. I don't know. Like, I just can't do it, okay? So that's why I love this wig. It's perfect. Perfect. Now the thing I want to try next is, I think it's the 7x7. So legit goes from like your temple to temple, actually a little bit, maybe like over here. So I think it goes from here to here, so there's even more space, and you're not dealing with this. Like, I feel like that's what irritates me the most, you guys. Like I don't know, I don't get it, okay? Now I know I'm gonna come in nice and close so you guys can see our routine. Okay, so I want you guys to come in close so you guys can see, like, so like I said, I'm still learning, so just don't. But look, so this is how it looks, And then this is the side tabs of the wig. So the lace goes from here to here, and then you got like these tabs. And the only thing that I can say that I really do hate about this wig is the tabs, the side tabs. The side tabs are so out there. Like, this is me even cutting it. Like, before it was like out to here, you guys. Like, it was out to here. Like, I had to cut into the tab to make it not like literally sit on my head. So that's the only con I can really say about this hair. Like, I really do like the hair itself. I like the lace. Like, I did, look at my clips. I have washed it, I have conditioned it, I have bleached the knots, I've done everything to this hair. And like, you guys can definitely watch videos when it comes to how to bleach knots and things like that. But if you're really wanting it to come from me, I can do it. Like, I'm not no pro, but I can do it for you guys. But just let me know what it is that you're seeking from me, and I'll do it for you guys. But this is like, I don't know, I really like it, and I'm definitely gonna order from them again. I'm going to try the 7x7, and I'm also gonna try the 370 degree lace front wigs. Now I know you're like, wait, it's called 360, get right? Like, no, 360 is nothing compared to the 370. The 370 has more parting space. Like, it literally, because, oh girl, I didn't even get to the detail about this parting space, but like, this parting space is deep, I tell you. I'm sorry I'm all over the place, I'm too excited. But this is 6 inches, so it's just so much parting space. So now imagine with the 370. 370 is so much parting space as well. So, you know, I just love everything about this hair. If you guys have any other questions about it, definitely let me know. And no, this hair is not, this video is not sponsored. I ordered this with my own money. The prices are very reasonable, and they are inexpensive. Like, I think this is like the cheapest wig that I've ever bought, and it is the wig that has lasted the longest out of all my expensive wigs that I have bought. Like, this one's bomb. I will have that video for you guys later on, after I have uploaded this. Definitely let me know down below what it is that you guys want me to do concerning like this wig. Like, do you want to see any other videos when it comes to like this hair, like how I style it? I'll definitely have how I apply it and stuff like that. Like, I'll get all that out there for you guys. So yeah, so I'll see you guys all in my next video. Thank you so much for sticking with me, and I love you guys so much. Have an awesome, blessed day.